In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix DaVinci's video not showing up in your timeline error. Now, before I start, if you are new to our channel, just hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. So let us begin. So as you can see right here, I have a video on my media pool. Now, what the error is that when you try to pull it and add it on your timeline, it does not get shown and it does not get added. So to fix that, first you'll have to just open up your settings. After you open your settings, tap on the system option. Now after you go to system, just scroll down till you see the display option. Tap on display and scroll down again till you find the graphics option. Tap on graphics and right there, now you will need to search for DaVinci. Now if you don't find DaVinci right here, you can just tap on browse, and after you tap on browse, just go to local disk, that is C drive, and go to your program files, go to Blackmagic Designs, select DaVinci and scroll down till you find the DaVinci Resolve app. So right here you need to tap on Resolve, and as you can see, DaVinci Resolve has been added. Now right here, what you'll now need to do is tap on options, and by default it's gonna be on the let Windows decide option. Make sure that you choose high performance, and after you do that, tap on save, and you can cross this out and just restart DaVinci and your problem will get fixed. So that is all for the video, guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, go down below and hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.